What would happen if humankind unleashed the power of an atomic bomb on the moon? It's a question blending science fiction with cold, hard physics. This provocative idea has sparked curiosity, but its consequences are no light matter. What could such an act mean for the moon, and for us on Earth? The moon holds a special place in human history, culture, and survival. Dropping a bomb on it may sound like a cinematic fantasy, but examining this scenario forces us to grapple with our capacity for destruction and our responsibility toward the cosmos. Let's explore the science and beyond. An atomic bomb would release an immense burst of energy, vaporizing lunar rock near the detonation site. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere, meaning there'd be no fiery mushroom cloud. Instead, dust, rock, and debris would scatter into space, creating a dispersed ejection plume. This explosion would carve a large crater, mimicking those caused by asteroid impacts. The lack of air pressure on the moon might make the explosion seem less dramatic by Hollywood standards, but the energy release would remain staggering, reshaping the surface and potentially creating long-term consequences for lunar exploration. Could an atomic attack on the moon impact Earth? Since the moon plays a critical role in stabilizing our planet's rotation and tides, the question isn't far-fetched. A single nuclear blast wouldn't knock the moon out of orbit. However, repeated strikes or massive, sustained explosions could affect gravitational balance. This ripple effect could alter ocean tides, impact ecosystems, and even slightly change how we experience time through Earth's rotation. While these scenarios are unlikely, they remind us of the fragile interconnectedness between our planet and its only natural satellite. The explosion would scatter radioactive debris across the moon's surface and into space. Without an atmosphere to trap particles, these materials could orbit the moon, creating dangerous radiation hazards for future space missions. Over time, debris might drift toward Earth, a chilling reminder of humanity's actions. Radiation would linger near the blast site for decades, potentially disrupting lunar exploration efforts or proposed settlements. The moon, once a beacon of human curiosity and hope, could become a symbol of recklessness, a constant reminder of the potential costs of careless decisions in space. Dropping a bomb on the moon isn't solely about science. It's also a profound ethical dilemma. The moon belongs to no one nation, as established by international treaties like the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. Any active force that could violate this agreement, sparking global outrage and debate. Moreover, the moon has cultural significance across civilizations. For centuries, it's inspired myths, art, and exploration. To blast it would be to ignore its symbolic connection to humanity, treating it as expendable. Should this celestial body, tied to our planet's identity, ever be subjected to such harm? Looking back, Earth's history is littered with examples of destruction caused by ignorance or overconfidence. From nuclear tests to environmental damage, humankind has often acted impulsively. Recognizing these patterns can guide us in taking responsibility for our actions, not just on Earth, but beyond it. The moon represents unspoiled terrain, a pristine reminder of the solar system's origins. Protecting it isn't just a moral duty, it's a testament to how humanity chooses to act with power. The question isn't just about what we could do, but what we should do. The idea of dropping an atomic bomb on the moon, while hypothetical, opens the door to larger questions. How should we use space technology responsibly? What rights do other celestial bodies deserve? And how will humanity balance innovation with ethical stewardship of space? These are not easy questions, but they're essential ones. As we venture further into space, exploring Mars, asteroids, and beyond, we must reflect on how to preserve the beauty and integrity of our cosmic home. Every bold idea demands thoughtful scrutiny. The moon has stood as a silent witness to human progress for millennia. Let's keep it that way. By embracing curiosity but advocating for responsible exploration, we can ensure its safety for future generations. What do you think? Share your thoughts and join the conversation on humanity's role in space exploration.